Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using Wanderlust.com. Wanderlust.com is an online platform dedicated to inspiring and enabling transformative travel experiences. It serves as a hub for those seeking adventure, connection, and personal growth through exploration. The website offers a diverse range of resources, including articles, trip itineraries, and a directory of yoga retreats and festivals around the globe. These retreats often incorporate mindfulness practices, wellness activities, and opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals. Wanderlust's focus extends beyond typical tourist activities, delving into immersive cultural experiences and opportunities for self-discovery. They curate trips that emphasize sustainable tourism and responsible travel, encouraging visitors to engage with local communities and minimize their environmental impact. Whether you're looking for a weekend getaway or a multi-week adventure, Wanderlust aims to provide options for various budgets and interests. From yoga in the Himalayas to exploring ancient ruins in Peru, the platform offers a wide selection of experiences designed to cater to diverse tastes. The website's content also provides practical advice and tips for planning your travels, covering topics such as visa requirements, packing essentials, and cultural etiquette. They strive to equip travelers with the knowledge and resources they need to have a smooth and enriching journey. Beyond their curated trips and online resources, Wanderlust cultivates a sense of community by hosting events and workshops. These gatherings allow individuals to connect with other travel enthusiasts and share their experiences, fostering a sense of belonging and shared passion for exploration. Through their diverse offerings and emphasis on mindful travel, Wanderlust.com encourages individuals to not just see the world, but to truly experience it.